Welcome to Paris and Supply Chain Event 2024. Lokad is delighted to be back, and this year it's bigger than ever. Our team is bigger, our partnerships are bigger, and here our presence is bigger. In particular, Lokad is delighted to host a roundtable discussion between Christophe Laporte and Sébastien Roux of Maisons du Monde, Bertrand Renaud of s&op, and Lokad's founder and CEO, Johannes Vermorel.
We focus on repetitive decisions in supply chain, being purchasing, allocation, the assortment, pricing, everything that's repetitive. We recalculate it every day and give optimized decisions as output.
A supply chain scientist is an engineer hired and trained by Lokad, whose mission is to make sure that the decisions that are going to be generated automatically by Lokad are perfectly smooth and aligned with the strategic direction of the company.
This year marked the start of the collaboration between Lokad and Maisons du Monde, a major name in omnichannel retail with over 300 stores across Europe. This collaboration has led to improved customer demand prediction, as well as improved inventory management to satisfy that demand more effectively. For Lokad, these events are important for connecting with local companies and for spreading news about international supply chain success stories. As always, be sure to follow us on LinkedIn for updates, such as when we release the roundtable from this event. And with that, I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.